I just want to let you guys know, a little disclaimer at the beginning of this video, that this video you are about to watch is a February video. Sorry guys, been busy, haven't had time to post this one. So just a heads up, this is in February around Valentine's Day. Alright, enjoy the video. Bye guys. Good afternoon guys, and welcome to another vlog. I'm here at the nail salon. I need to get my nails done today, and since Valentine's is around the corner, I'm gonna do a Valentine's Day design, and I will show you that when I am done. Planned for today, there's a couple of things that I want to do, and I want to bring you guys along with me. I wrote them all down. One of them is that I want to prepare at least 3 crock pot meals so that when I get home from work, meals are done, because that's one of the things that take like the longest for me when I get home from work. So already having it prepared and in the crock pot before I leave in the morning, and dinner is done when I get home, really saves me a lot of time. Another thing that I want to do is some journaling today. There's a lot that I want to write. I hope I can remember everything. And there were other things. Oh, obviously going to Walmart or Publix to get the ingredients for the dinners. What else? It was nails, it was the crock pot meals, Walmart, journaling. I can't remember the rest, but when I do, I will let you know. So here I am. I'm gonna get down now, get my nails done. I'm gonna try and see if she's okay with me vlogging a little bit of the process of how she does my nails, because what I'm getting done today is gonna be so cool. So I'll see if she doesn't mind, and if she doesn't mind, I will vlog it just a little bit. All right guys, so I'll see you guys in a bit. It is 12:48 and my appointment is at 1. Okay, so I cheated and I looked at my to-do list. The other 2 things that I wanted to do is that I want to switch purses, because I bought myself this really pretty purse. Hang on, because I have it in my car. It's empty, but I bought myself this really pretty purse. I don't know if everything that I have inside my old purse is going to fit in here, but I am definitely going to try. If not, I will downsize. And then the other thing that I wanted to do today that I've realized that I normally do this on Sundays, is upload a vlog. So those are the 2 last things that I want to do today. I hope that I can get everything done. Let's see what I can accomplish today, guys. All right. So I'm done with my nails, and I did what I wanted. I don't know if you guys can see. It's for Valentine's Day, and I think she said it was called Encapsulated, the technique. So it's very pretty. It's got like little hearts. Let's see if this is ever gonna focus. Well, yeah. So I got it done, and then I did a polish change on my toes to red, and this is what my hands look like. I did 2 with the encapsulated. I did these 2, and then the rest I just did a red polish, which is the same red polish that I did on my toes. So now I'm heading home. I'm gonna go see what the situation is in my house with my husband and my kids, and then later I will probably start doing all of the errands that I wanted to do. All right, guys, I will see you guys later.
Hello, Schmeely. Hi, Schmeely. Oh my goodness. How you doing? You want me to scratch you? Seriously, you're doing sassy stuff? You're doing sassy stuff? Oh, so sassy. Oh my goodness, so sassy. Why are you so sassy all the time? You want me to scratch your belly? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh my goodness, I love the scratchies. I love the scratchies. Mommy, I love the scratchies. Hi, Smeeky, Smeeky. She's so cute. You're such a good kitty. You're such a good kitty. Yes, you are. Oh, there comes the other one. You two are gonna play? Are you two gonna play? Mama, you're not gonna play with Willa? Guess not.
Look at this pretty girl. Just look at this pretty girl. She's so beautiful. I love her so much. Say hi. Say hi. Look. She's so stiff. Okay. I get it. She's scared. Okay, so I knocked off another thing off the list. And instead of Target, I did Walmart. So I picked up everything that I needed for at least 2 dinners, 2 crock pot dinners tonight. I mean, not for tonight, for the week. And now I'm headed to Publix because I have absolutely no idea what in the world is going on with cream cheese. But hold on, because there's traffic here and I gotta get out of here. But I cannot find cream cheese anywhere. So I'm gonna go to Publix now to see if they have cream cheese. And my son Anthony asked me to see if, because they didn't have that here either, vegan sugar cookies. They didn't have that here either. Like, what the heck? So now I'm going to Publix for those 2 things to see if they have cream cheese and for the vegan cookies. So I just left Publix and look what I found. I had never seen these pretzel sliders from King's Hawaiian. I love their bread. So since I have zero self-control when it comes to food, I really don't need these, but I wanted them. And then these I got because I got some ham spread that I'm gonna make myself little sandwiches for lunch. The ham spread is somewhere around here. I can't find it right now. So yeah, so I'm heading home now, so I'll see you there. Hi guys, I'm so low on my bed so that I can actually see you guys here. Now it's time to do the purses. Remember, I was gonna empty out this one, throw away a lot of stuff, I'm sure, and put it in my beautiful new one. It's a 9 West purse, and in honor of Valentine's Day around the corner, I am wearing my heart pajamas, and look at my nails. Can you guys see? By the way, I was able to vlog her doing these nails, so I'm gonna include this in this video. Can you see? Can you see? trying to make sure that it's focused. It's kind of hard to see. Anyways, they're little hearts. This one is better. You can see the heart. I don't mean to be shooting you guys a birdie, but you can see the little heart there. You see? How cutie. Alright, time to do the purse. I'm not going to vlog the whole purse process, so I will bring you guys back when I'm done with it. And I'll show you the final product. This is my journal. I hadn't shown you guys. I think I've written one thing in here, and it was... I wrote one thing in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It was January 7th, 2022 at 10:32 a.m. and it was a Friday, and I wrote, "Oh life. Oh life, life, life. Oh, it's so difficult sometimes." So yeah, so this is what I'm probably going to write into a little bit later on today. Or tonight, because it's already 9:16 at night. So, dear friends, yesterday I did not finish the vlog, so I'm going to end it today. I'm going to try to make this as short as possible. It is Monday. I showered already. I look gorgeous with this hair. I made some tea already, and now I'm going to show you the situation with the kitchen, which guess who has to pick it up? Hang on. Look at those beams from the lights up in the ceiling. Anyways, I'm going to end this vlog here. So if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new, please subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. I'm very tired.